this is Mark.
Sherry.
We've been working on our house now for almost 2 years, a complete remodel. And we got to the point where we thought we were done with all the plumbing, and I went into the master bathroom and saw a blister on the wall. Tore into the wall and found out that we had a major drain problem. The company I hired originally to do the surface plumbing came and looked at it and wanted to do a tunnel repair, which we just put all tile down, and I wasn't interested in following that path. We got a hold of Easy Flow. I found them through a Google search that they specialize in trenchless plumbing repair. And Robert, their rep, came out and sold us on the company. Right now, we're in the process of having this work done. You might hear it in the background. We're sitting in my workshop right now. It's the quietest place we have. And we're anxious to see what the results are going to be.
So, well, yeah, and meeting you, it made us very confident. Just pleased with the way you came out and how you talked to us, and we just seem like we trust you. You're a trustworthy person. We'll see.
We'll
I'm
keep
sure
our
it'll
fingers
be
crossed.
fine. Yeah.
Perfect, guys. Thank you.
Yeah. Oh, I'm terrible.